No, it will.
Hey, don't run away. These are my new toys. I just want to show them off, you know. No matter how far you run, you cannot hide.
Animal Company funny moments. Alright. Yay, guys. Alright. Guys, I'm escaping the law. I somehow didn't die from the rockets, but I died from I died from landing the water. I'm blowing all my money. I don't care.
You killed me earlier? Lucky ass.
Alright.
Get your bitch ass over here,
Happy
fella.
birthday to you. Wait, alright guys, I have something actually really cool to do. Alright, this is Animal Company experiments.yhyl.98.47.36.51. Give me the... There we go. All right, this is cool. This is really cool. This is cooler than your mom. This is cooler than
my mom?
This is cooler than a pouch of Kool-Aid.
What'd you just say?
This is cooler than
What'd you say about
all
my
of the
mom?
marbles.
What'd you say about mama?
My headset's low.
I'm
This is cool. Almost cooler than your. That's a good thing though. Your mom's cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, you know how you killed me, right? Yeah, you know how you killed me, right?
Yeah.
You better start praying, buddy. You better start praying, buddy. Yeah, I'm kidding.
All
For
right.
now.
This is so like this is actually a really cool experiment I'm gonna do. All right, guys, check out this cool experiment. Light it, go. And before I will die, I have returned.
Yeah, until Sessa does.
All right, guys. Revolutionary Animal Company experiments. That if YHYL, the LY is L.L.
.L is crazy.
All right, so I am the daring Danny DeVito scientist man from the land of man, and I will bring you this ultimate daredevil act that I totally won't result in me dying. Hey, why is there random? All right, here we go. I'm still going. I'm still going. Ah! I could survive this. I'm getting carried with the wind. My plan is to make it back. My plan is to make it back. I need to see my wife and children one last time. Here I go. This is actually cool. What a lovely view. Okay. Okay. Hi guys, I see you down there. Wait, too far! Too far! Please! Ah!
I died. I can see that.
I made it kind of Help! 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 The wind's blowing me! Leo! Leo! Help! Help! Ah! Ah! Please! I can land on this. I can survive! I can't survive! I can't survive! Wait. Please. Please don't kill me, water. Please. Please, I gotta... Oh, I think I did it. 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 Okay, this is... Oh my god. No, please. No, 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 no! Please! Please! Help! Help! Wait, no! I didn't mean to take that off! I didn't mean to take it off! Wait, no! No! Alright, listen, we don't have much time. I have secret information on Barack Obama's last name. Uh-oh.
I'm the FBI!
Wait, no, please! Yo, this new Leprechaun update is so fire, bro. Look at this guy. He's got...
Yeah, but yes! Yeah, but they had a top hat! They had a top... No, that's Jack whenever he talks about doing Max's vodka.
Guys, is this guy okay? Guys, I think he's the one making... Ah! Notice how the sound starts when he looks down, and then the sound stops when he gets back up. By the way, you're in a video. You're in a video. Subscribe to Soup Time. I am Pogo Stick Man.
I don't know which one's you. Bro, his watch is all the way over here. Bro, look at his watch is right there.
I am Pogo Stick Man, and I will answer all of your questions about Pogo Sticks.
What is Barack Obama's you?
We do not speak of Barack Obama's last name.
Which one's you?
I know his last name. I know his last name.
Oh, yeah? Well, that's classified information!
Oh my god!
Oh wait, his last name is...
Oh no.
Yeah, bro.
They found us! They found us! We gotta go! We gotta go!
Jack, whenever you get off your headset, you go on like talkie AI, just like talk.
No!
For years or days.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Whoa, you almost shot me! How dare you! How dare you! I'm going to kill you!
You got lucky, I got talkie AI. Jack, you're lucky. Leave. I got one more bullet left. Leave.
Oh my god, it's standing up! Oh my god! Shoot it!
It's Timmy's brother's arm! The one that my friend named Jackson crushed! He killed him.
It's coming back from the dead! Shoot it!
What the heck happened?
Ah!
Yeah, bro.
What is that?
Jack and Timmy. I'm at school and this kid crushed a frog to death.
No!
We have a memorial for the frog. We like saluted to the frog. We're like, yeah!
I don't see anything.
Yeah, guys, this arm's haunted.
But I summoned him!
Yeah, this arm's haunted. This arm's haunted. This arm's haunted. That arm is haunted. It stood up. It stood up. It's the tread coming back from the dead.
It was like this.
Like,
So there.
who has just been shot? Oh, hey, honey.
See? 11,000.
Guys, Pogo Stick Man is gonna go take a cigarette break.
Did you like hit your hand, bro?
I'm coming after you. Fa la 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 la. I have your location in the death note. Oh la la la. My bad.
Max, if you don't come after me, I'm gonna give you a Roxanne bottle.
Wait, do you live in Denver?
Alright.
No, he doesn't.
No, I live in Canada.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to Canada.
Oh, never mind. I thought they brought back the old grapple sound for a second.
We need the old grapple. Hold on, which one is loaded?
Guys, alright. Here, I'm getting auditions for Tablito Tortilla. So, everyone raise your hand if you want to be in Tablito Tortilla. Alright. Okay, so we got you. Do you want to be in Tablito Tortilla? He already is. Because he's one of the main characters. So, okay.
Guys, what do we do?
We got the cast for Tablito Tortilla.
Do we do shotguns or do we do a revolver?
Shotguns because they're more powerful. Shotguns are more powerful.
Anybody have a spear?
No, I do not, sadly.
I'm gonna check.
I got one shotgun.
I'm gonna check in my spare
what do I do to audition?
Alright, if you just raise your hand, you're already in. So, all of you guys are in. Tablito Tortilla.
Alright, here's a normal one. I got a normal one.
Hey, add me. Add me on.
Oh, he pulled the Huzz! Damn, I thought I was.
Guys, look at guys. Guys, Soup Time already has.